Want to look more confident on camera? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 quick ways that you can instantly look more confident on camera, so stay tuned. Okay, the first way is, one of the biggest mistakes that I see is clients, they'll go and if you're recording videos with your phone, it's that they use the front camera. Now, if you're doing a social media video, you want to do this because of course that's how you look at yourself. But if you are recording videos for YouTube and other platforms that you want to put up, you want to use the back camera. Why? One is that this is a higher quality camera, but 2 is when you're looking at yourself, a lot of times it's going to bring up your own inner critic. You're going to look at yourself and go, why did I do that? It becomes distracting. So your inner critic's going to come up. It's more distracting. And one thing that I actually did myself is I kept looking at myself instead of looking at the lens. So if you are using this, make sure you have to look at the lens so that people look at you. That's the first one. Now, the second one is that you want to imagine that you're speaking to your ideal client. This traps so many people, okay? When you're speaking, let's say to a camera, it's going to be, you're looking at it, you're thinking, who am I talking to? Who pays attention? Who cares about this? And this is where a lot of times our confidence can take a hit. So instead, just imagine that you're speaking to your ideal client. You have one ideal client that is watching this video, and that lens is the way for you to connect with them. Okay, that is a way to feel more confident instantly. It's changing the relationship with the camera. When you see it as a portal to connect with your ideal client, it becomes a lot more easy to be confident and you'll be more relaxed in your body. So that's the second one. The third one is pre-video checklist. Okay, so what is your routine before you get on video? Now, a lot of times people think, I don't know, it's nerve-wracking, I just get started, and that just adds more stress. So the first thing is even take a step back and check in and go, where am I operating from? I often talk about frame control. So what is your frame? Checking in, where are you coming from? Most people get up. So if you're a coach, you're a consultant, you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna get up to do your videos and it's like, hey, recording, let me just blast forward, let me go with it. But instead, what I want to bring into you is to become more confident, is to have intentionality. So first, check in with how am I showing up? Where am I coming from? And what I mean by that is just really grounding about who is this message for? Get very specific with your ideal client. Connect with who you want to get the message out there. And then connect with what is the problems they're struggling with and that you are here to add value. Okay, when you do that, that is going to allow you to feel more confident. So that's one big in terms of frame control with mindset, but then the other is just shaking out nerves. So that can be just shaking your body around. One thing that's very common is tension in the neck area. So even I like to do this, just ball my hands up, and I'll bring my shoulders up really high and just hold my breath and then just relax. And when you keep tensing and relaxing, what happens is your body starts to relax. So that's another good one too. And the third one is getting fresh air. So get some fresh air, go outside. I know, especially right now during COVID, spending a lot of time cooped up. When you have the opportunity to go outside, that allows you to, again, get into a more confident state. So that's third piece here is around frame control. It's really connecting with intention. Who are you? Why are you here? Who is your ideal client? Who are you speaking to? And also, what is the value that you're here to bring? Again, this is all an internal sales job. When you believe that you are here to add value, you'll feel more confident. And the fourth piece is have fun. This can be a very overwhelming experience. It can be like, oh my gosh, who's gonna watch this? I don't like this. I feel overwhelmed. Are people gonna put mean things in the comments? All these uncertainties come up and that can really sap your confidence. So instead, have fun with it. Go, look, this is the best that I can do today. Okay, this is the best that I can do today. And the fact that I'm putting a video out there, that is a win. If there's one thing I want to reinforce more than anything, it's that this is a skill, okay? Being confident on video is not a gift, it's a skill. And the more time you practice it, the better you'll become. So again, with this, the fourth piece is have fun. When you have fun, it allows you to relax in your body, you will be more confident, your audience is going to enjoy and get more engagement from you, and it just becomes a lot easier. And you have a choice. You can do it from a place of dread and perfectionism and I gotta be perfect and what are people going to think about me? Or you can come from a place of, hey, this is the best that I can do today, I'm going to have fun, I'm here to add value, and hopefully my ideal clients get that value. So that is 4 ways that you can become more confident on video starting today. And what I want to add is that if you want help, if you want someone to help you move through this process, become more confident, I have a course called Confident on Video. Information is in the link below, and that is a program that we take you step by step, everything that you need to become confident on video, so you share your message and you win in this world today. Okay, so again, go to confidentonvideo.com. I look forward to work with you.